You will turn heads in this 2010 Chrysler Sebring 2-door convertible from Perkins Dodge Chrysler Jeep. Let the acceleration push you into the dark slate gray seats as you put the pedal down to the 2.7-liter 6-cylinder 24-valve engine. Mill through its 4-speed automatic transmission to its front-wheel drive. Then put the windows down and turn up the tunes with the trip computer, digital audio input, DVD audio and more. In addition to getting you there fast, this coupe will also get you there safely with 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag and more. We would love to put you in the driver's seat of this Sebring. Please contact us for more information.